How to contact Kucoin support for help or issues. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to contact Kucoin support for help or issue. So for that case, you have to go and log in into your Kucoin account. And when you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. While you're on this page, press on the profile icon from the top left hand side. Scroll down a bit and you have this option as support. Go ahead and press on it. When you go through it, you have this multiple option, that is whether you need an online support or submit a ticket, FAQ, or send an or log, all that. So accordingly, select the one, and when you actually do that, you just follow the prompt according to the instruction that mentioned, and that is basically how you can contact Kucoin support for help or issue. However, if you're unable to log in and unable to do these steps, then you can also try opening your browser and typing in contact Kucoin, and there you'll be provided with the information on what you should be doing in order to contact the support team. Likewise, they have an official email where you can go ahead and send an email, that is newapi@kucoin.plus. I'm going to leave it on my description box below, and from there or through there you can directly text then you can directly email them and they'll look into your matter. That is how you can contact Kucoin support for help or issues. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.